Okay guys, today I'm going to be teaching you the chain rule, which is a new way for us to differentiate functions. Now the chain rule is to differentiate composite functions, which are these. It can also be written like this. And all a composite function is a function within a function, essentially. So, if we have big F is equal to little f of g of x, then the derivative of big F is, do you guys know what it is? It is little f prime of g of x times the derivative of g of x. So these are what we need to plug into to find big F prime. Now when we do that, we need to make a little chart at first until we master it. So to set up each problem, we're going to do this, and the same thing for the g's. So what we need to do is identify the inner function and the outer function, and then find the derivative of each of those, and then we can go ahead and do the chain rule. Are you guys ready to try a problem? Yeah! Are you ready to try a problem, Cole? Sure. Alright, we'll give it a go. We'll let you go first, smart guy. Tell me, what is the derivative of f of x equals 3x plus 4 to the 5th power?
I'll try it. Well,
Go ahead and fill in your chart.
first we use the power rule, so it's 5 times 3x plus 4. And then we do the chart.
No. Give me that. That's not how you do it, Cole. Duh. You make your chart first. So F would equal x to the 5th, and G would be 3x plus 4.
Very good, Jake.
And the derivative of this is 5x to the 4th, and the derivative of this equals 3. So you plug it into the formula right here, and it would be 5 times 3x plus 4 to the 4th times 3, which equals 15 times 3x plus 4 to the 4th.
That's very good, Jake. You found the right answer, but I really wanted Cole to answer that. Now, if you're so good at these already, I could give you a problem to do. Is that what you want? Do you want a problem?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. You get this.
Alright, smart guy. I'll get you a problem then. Why don't you go ahead and use the chain rule on this function and see if you can't find the derivative.
Piece of cake upside down.
See what you got now.
So for this, f would equal tangent of x. G of x would equal sine of x. So this goes to, this goes to secant squared of x, and this goes to cos of x. So if I plug it into the formula, it would be secant squared of sine of x times cos of x. Bang, bang.
Wow, Jake, that's very good. I must say I'm impressed. But if you really want to be good at chain rule, you'll have to learn how to do the really complicated problems. Let me show you an example. I bet you can't tell me the derivative of y equals x times e to the negative x squared.
That's easy. Just just like
Yeah. Yeah.
4.
Yeah, you don't know what to do you? Why don't you have a seat, hot shot?
4.
Cole, you don't know either, do you?
I don't think so.
Well, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Now, if you recall last chapter, we learned about the multiplication rule. It's obviously right there. Well, we have to use the multiplication rule first. So, this is how you find y prime. Now, this over here is obviously just either negative x squared, and over here we have to do the chain rule on this term to find the derivative of it. So we have the inner function is e to the x, and the derivative of that is obviously just e to the x, and the outer function is negative x squared, and the derivative of that is 2x. So what we're gonna do
Wait a
is
second.
chain rule.
Hold on.
What, Cole?
Whoa there.
What? Are you, have a
Let me
seat,
see
young
this.
man.
I think you made a mistake.
That's impossible. I'm the teacher. I don't make mistakes.
I hate to say it.
No, that's impossible. What did I do wrong?
Is this negative 2x?
Oh, Cole, you're absolutely right.
Now, let me just put it
I
in
think
here.
you've learned. Why don't you go ahead and finish the problem off? I think you can do this, Cole.
Let's see if I can do it. So it's x. To do that, we have to put f prime times the g of x, which is negative x squared, multiplied by g prime of x, which is negative 2x.
Yes.
My friend. And then next, the step is take the f prime, which is e to the x, so put in negative x squared times negative 2x. And then the next function is plus e to the negative x squared. And then once you simplify that, it turns into, you can simplify the e to the x squared. And then it simplifies to e to the negative x squared, 1 minus 2x squared.
Yeah, absolutely right, Cole.
Wow.
Wow. Well, we're all out of time for today, but I think you guys have both learned a lot, and apparently I've learned something too today, so it's clear that we've all mastered the chain rule, and I think we'll be ready for a test later this week. That's really good work, guys. That'll do it for today. Let's go.